30 BC. Cleopatra sits in her palace in Alexandria. But she's not writing letters to Caesar. She's crafting the perfect Instagram caption. Because in this timeline, she has something more dangerous than poison. She has social media. History remembers Cleopatra as a seductress, a politician, a scholar who spoke 9 languages. What they don't tell you, she was history's first master of propaganda. She controlled her image so precisely that 2,000 years later, we're still debating if she was beautiful or brilliant. Spoiler, she was both, and she knew it. Now, imagine giving her the tools of the 21st century. Not swords and chariots, but algorithms and analytics. Not messengers on horseback, but instant global reach. This is a masterclass in influence from the woman who seduced 2 of Rome's most powerful men without ever needing a ring light. So how would she build 50 million followers? The same way she did 2,000 years ago. But first, let's answer the question everyone asks. Was Cleopatra actually beautiful? No filters, no Facetune, just chemistry. But beauty was just the bait. Her real weapon? Strategic storytelling. And on social media, that makes you unstoppable. Because Cleopatra understood something most influencers never figure out. Followers equal power, and power equals survival. So, watch what happens when she picks her platforms. Instagram, her primary platform. Visual storytelling, luxury lifestyle, behind-the-scenes palace content. Think Kylie Jenner meets National Geographic. TikTok, short-form education. 5 ways I negotiate with Roman generals. Get ready with me, Pharaoh edition. Viral potential off the charts. Twitter, political commentary and clapbacks. Cleopatra's wit was legendary. Her roasts of Octavian would trend for days. YouTube, long-form documentaries about Egyptian history, governance, and yes, her beauty routines. She wouldn't just be on social media, she'd be social media. Her content strategy, 4 pillars. Luxury that's relatable, education that empowers, beauty that sells, and power moves that make enemies sweat. But here's the genius part most influencers miss. Cleopatra wouldn't just post randomly. She'd master the algorithm. A/B test thumbnails, track engagement rates by hour, analyze which content performs in Rome versus Alexandria versus Athens. Remember, this is a woman who learned Egyptian, a dead language for royalty, just to connect with her people. You think she wouldn't learn Python to crack the TikTok algorithm? Her team of scholars, now they're data analysts. Her scribes, content managers. Her spies, social listening experts, tracking every mention across platforms. Pillar 1, luxury and lifestyle. Golden Palace tours, Nile River yacht parties, exotic animal collections. Every post screams, I'm not just rich, I'm Pharaoh rich. But here's the genius. She'd make it relatable. Even queens have bad hair days with a selfie in a messy bun.
Pillar 2. Education and empowerment. She spoke 9 languages, studied mathematics, philosophy, astronomy. Her TikToks breaking down complex political situations in 60 seconds? How I negotiated peace between 2 empires. She's not just entertaining, she's educating, and that builds loyalty. Pillar 3. Beauty and wellness. This is where the wellness industry explodes. Watch this. She'd launch Cleopatra Beauty and make Fenty look like a startup. But Pillar 4, that's where it gets dangerous. Pillar 4. Power and politics. The dangerous content. Subtle flexes about controlling Egypt's grain supply, the food source for the entire Mediterranean. Cryptic posts about Roman alliances. Every caption is a chess move. Her enemies wouldn't know if she's flirting or declaring war. That's the point. And that's when the follower explosion happens.